Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 8 Science, and today in the lesson Sources of Energy we will see natural gas and cleaner fuels. Natural gas. Gas is another fossil fuel that is found with the petroleum in oil wells. It burns easily to produce heat and light. In India, gas fields have been discovered in Godavari Krishna Basin and Mumbai High and Tripura. Use of natural gas. It burns readily, has high calorific value, and so is used as a fuel in homes and industries. It is also used as an automobile fuel. Cleaner fuels. Economic development and rapid growing population are putting a strain on the environment, infrastructure, and the country's natural resources. Industrial population, soil erosion, deforestation, rapid industrialization, urbanization, and land degradation are all worsening the problems. Burning of fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum products is a major source of pollution. Mining activities, use of fertilizers and pesticides also contributes to the pollution. So all these factors affects the environment which causes the pollution. Our strategy to address these environmental issues is to develop technology that uses renewable natural resources such as biomass, water, wind and solar energy. India is blessed with an abundance of sunlight, water and biomass. Fuels like LPG, compressed natural gas that is CNG and biogas are cleaner. LPG, CNG, biomass are cleaner and better fuels. Why they are called? When burnt, biomass and LPG release carbon dioxide but in small amount. When biomass crops are grown, an equivalent amount of carbon dioxide is consumed through the photosynthesis. Natural gas is a cleaner fuel as it provides relatively low amount of pollutant. And these are the factors which are less responsible for the pollutions. It has fewer emissions than coal and petroleum products and has virtually no ash particles left after burning. For energy needs, we must look for the alternative source such as solar energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, hydel energy and wind energy, because these energies are continuously available with us. This will protect the environment and reduce the risk of global warming which is caused due to the pollution of the environment. Furthermore, fossil fuels will be available to the future generations for the useful products. Dear students, today we have finished the lesson and here is a small assignment for you which is based on the natural gas and cleaner fuels. As we finish the lesson, go through the all slides of the lessons and try to solve the questions which are given here and write it on in your notebook. Answer these following questions in brief and also in your own words and write down all the questions and answer in your notebook. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.